In this next video, I'm going to show you how to WAN tickets or scan tickets. This records the employees' performances and what they did, what they work on for that particular day. So first, go into Byte. Okay, we would want to go into the piecework production file this time. See here, WAN tickets, WAN coupons. Click on that. I'll give you this window. Then you go to process, WAN coupons, into the date that the employee worked. For example, if we're scanning tickets from last week on Friday, we would enter that work day. In this particular demo, we're gonna start today. Okay, so we're gonna use today's date. Click OK. Here you have to select an employee to scan these tickets, basically the employee's name and all that information. So click on EMP. If you don't know the employee's number, you can click on the lookup, enter his employee number, OK, and then you go WAN coupons. Now on this computer I've set up the scanners, so everything is set up, it's ready to go. So I take the tickets that I had shown you in the other videos that we printed out, and I'm going to scan it in and give this guy the credit. So this is basically reading his tickets. Okay, so when I'm done, go and cancel this, and you see this employee had worked on all these bundles. So after I'm finished with this, click on OK, and you can close. You go and you do process coupons, which is today. Go ahead, and this one we don't need to print out. Just select the screen, click OK. What it's going to do is it's going to process the coupons that you had already scanned in. And if there's any errors, it will say errors found. In this case, there's no errors found, and 17 coupons were read. Close that window, and then close this window as well. Next, you want to enter their production hour. Go to process. If you had time and attendance software module with this software, then you can actually auto load the time. In this case, we have to manually load it. So this isn't, you go to load time under process, click on normal data entry, click on the date that he worked, which is today, and click OK. Enter time for only one selected employee. Yes. In this demo we're just doing one, so and then OK. Here you would enter the hours that was offered and the hours he worked. So in this test, this demo, we'll use 8 hours. We'll just assume that he worked the whole 8 hours. If, for example, if he didn't, he just worked 6 hours, you can enter 6, and then over here you would have to manually change it as well. Okay, let's go back and change that. 8 hours. 8 hours. Okay. So this concludes the winding of the tickets. Well, let's go into the reports and let's see if it shows up. I've made a few custom reports. It should show up in this line performance. We'll run the report from this date this week. And let's see. See? It shows that Paul is the operator. Well, the cell is 21. The department head is Paul. The line supervisor is Paul. Bad example. We should have changed different names. But here's the style. This is the operation. Single needle. A little bit more description. The price. The total units that he did. 8 hours of work. The total units that we're targeting. And this is his efficiency. So this guy is not doing too well. He's only doing 70%, but let's, forgive him since this is the first day. So this will conclude this session.